The TP-Link Archer C3000 is a high-performance wireless router that offers fast and reliable internet connectivity for your home or small office. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at this router and explore its features, performance, and capabilities. We'll also show you how to set up and configure the router, as well as how to customize its settings to suit your specific needs. The Archer C3000 is designed to provide lightning-fast internet speeds from multiple devices, thanks to its dual-band AC 1900 wireless connectivity. This means you can easily connect to the internet using any of your devices and enjoy lag-free streaming, gaming, and browsing. The router is also equipped with beamforming technology, which ensures that the router's signal is directed towards your devices, providing a stronger and more stable connection. The Archer C3000 is also equipped with advanced features such as MU-MIMO technology, which allows multiple devices to connect to the router at the same time without sacrificing speed or performance. This feature is particularly useful for households with multiple users who use a lot of bandwidth, as it ensures that everyone gets a fast and reliable connection. In addition to its wireless capabilities, the Archer C3000 also comes with a range of wired connections, including 4 gigabit Ethernet ports for high-speed data transfer and a USB 2.0 port for connecting external devices such as hard drives and printers. Setting up the Archer C3000 is straightforward and can be done using either the web interface or the TP-Link Tether app. The app is particularly useful for those who prefer a more streamlined setup process, as it guides you through each step of the process and allows you to manage your network from your smartphone or tablet. Once you've set up your network, you can customize the Archer C3000 settings to suit your specific needs. For example, you can set up parental controls to restrict access to certain websites or limit internet access during certain hours. You can also configure QoS, quality of service, settings to prioritize certain types of traffic over others, ensuring that important tasks such as video streaming and online gaming get the bandwidth they need. One of the most notable features of the Archer C3000 is its advanced security features. The router comes with built-in antivirus and firewall protection, which helps to protect your devices from online threats such as viruses, malware, and phishing scams. Additionally, the Archer C3000 comes equipped with TP-Link Home Care, which provides a range of security features such as parental controls, QoS, and antivirus protection, all in one easy-to-use package. Overall, the TP-Link Archer C3000 is a high-performance wireless router that is ideal for homes and small offices that require fast and reliable internet connectivity from multiple devices. With its advanced features and customizable settings, it provides a versatile and easy-to-use solution for all your networking needs. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know to get the most out of this powerful router.